Hey guys, Tom with Permaculture Wilmington here, and I'm just putting this little video online to document my house, because this is probably going to be the last time that I'm going to do a video and show everything, hopefully, because we're going to be selling the house. So I'm just going to do a little walk around. Show everybody what the daikon radish looks like. A lot of them have been broken down from people that have been going by with dogs and leashes, the dogs go up in the flower beds, and the leashes just cut the plants, top of the plants off, knock them over. No big deal though. If they keep going, these daikon are just amazing. They attract so many bees, and then you get the clover in here, and you guys can see right in there, there's that ladybug. But there's just so many insects everywhere all the time. These plants, there's more ladybugs in here, more ladybugs, lots and lots. Oh my goodness, so many seeds. This is going to be such a great daikon radish collection harvest that we're going to be doing. The seeds are just so plump. I mean, these were healthy plants. These are going to be great seeds. Definitely easy to grow the next time we plant and use them, hopefully, in our next house, on our next property. So you guys can see here what's going on. The pear tree, guys, this is the pear tree that had a fungus last year, and you can kind of still see a leaf or two in the very top hanging around from last year, and how some of the stems here, where's it at? Right here, are a little bit bare from last year, where the fungus killed that part of the tree. But because of what I did to the soil and the relationships that I created, this tree is just vibrant. It's so alive right now. I mean, the saturation of chlorophyll green that you see is very, very deep, very rich. So this is definitely a healthier plant than it was last year. There is no signs of a fungus attacking it at the moment. So this is very, very good. If there was, you'd see leaves that have black on them, and there is not one leaf that has any black. This is so amazing that these plants can give each other immunity properties, and the fungus that I actually inoculated into the soil when I put down wheat straw and layered in fruiting blocks that we were growing mushrooms on. So there was a lot of fungus in the soil, but the plum tree is just amazing. It had so many blooms on it this year. And guys, look at this daikon. This is one daikon radish, just one daikon. The size of this thing, it was bigger than my arms. It was awesome. It might still be around there. Show you. Yeah, look at this. Look, here's my hand on this thing, but I mean, this is just a massive daikon radish. I'll go around to the other side. That's crazy. Anyway, yeah, everything else is doing really well. We got a lot of pots ready to take some good soil, some good compost I made. But it's definitely time to collect some daikon for sure. But this one, I mean, the root is so big on this, like I don't think it's going to be done for a while. These flowers look like they're going to keep going. A lot of them are kind of dwindling out right now. They don't have a lot of flowers on them anymore, and the seed pods are getting nice and plump. and then we have some, the plant itself is taking its nutrition from the bottom and putting it up, starting to put it up into the seeds now. So this is where it takes the minerals from lower in the plant and transfers them up into the seeds. Translocation. But yes, so this is great, guys. I'm really excited about the quality that we've created this year, and it's all biological. There is no chemicals I've sprayed. This is all biology. Yeah, even this bed, there was something wrong with some of the compost I put in there, and it was stunting the plants. And since then, it's gotten a whole lot better. I put some new compost that was really, really good, that I made using what I learned from Elaine Ingham in there with biochar. And the species, I actually looked at it with my microscope and saw that the species were much, much better than they were. There was higher trophic levels of arthropods in it, so I know it was definitely better than the one before that just had a whole lot of the nematodes, in it. And I think they were the bad guys, but I didn't know enough about it at that time to really know what I was doing. But now, guys, this is so much better, so wonderful. Take you in the back. Maggie, come.